Just about any type of file can be added to a Schoology course. In order to do so, begin in your Materials section of your course, go to the Add Materials menu, and choose Add File, Link, or External Tool. That will bring up this menu of options. You're going to choose File, and then you're going to attach files. Locate the file in your on your computer, choose it, and it is now attached. You can have it published or unpublished, and you can also edit the details. If you wish to change the title of the file at this point, you may do that here by clicking on Edit Details and then typing in the new title. We're going to go ahead and add the file, and it will add it into your materials. If you would like to move it into a folder, you can just select it and drag it either into the folder or in any location. Put it inside the folder and drop it. You can also access the same menu as this Add Materials menu by looking for the little green dashed line at any point in your materials.